So, Reverend Father, we welcome you in our midst. A warm welcome to all the principals, teachers, Reverend Fathers, sisters, and participants from various schools and colleges. Dear students, when you participate in the competition, any competitions, put your 100% and give a tough time to the opponent, but keeping the spirit of competition. Winning and losing is a part of the game. I would like to congratulate and appreciate our boys who have put up tremendous hard work and exceptional teamwork. Whatever you see in this auditorium, outside the auditorium, or on the stage is exclusively the work of our students alone. Of course, with the able guidance of our committed teachers. I also would like to thank all our donors. The name of the donors are printed behind the invitation, you can go through. But there are also others who have helped us besides these. They are Tanish, Maharaniji, Mukta Agencies, and Shiv Shankar Singh. I am also indebted to them for their timely support to organize this event. I also implore God's blessings on this event and all the participants, and I wish you all the good luck, and may God be with us during this event today and tomorrow. Once again, welcome one and all. May God bless you.
Enjoyed the previous event. Now it's time for the offstage event, that is collage. Collage is a work of formal art, primarily in visual arts, made from an assemblage of different forms, thus creating a whole new artwork. The original collage can be traced back to hundreds of years, but this technique made a dramatic reappearance in the late 20th century as an art form of novelty. The term collage was coined by both George Braque and Pablo Picasso in the beginning of 20th century, when collage became a distinctive part of modern art. I warmly welcome our honorable judges for this event. They are Mrs. Varsha Gupta, who conducts painting classes for all age groups, and Mrs. Ruchi Mittal, Director of Ruchi Institute of Creative Arts. The rules for the event are: there will be 2 participants from each school and a helper. Maximum time allotted will be 1.5 hours. The topic for the event is opening the doors to a new world. The host will provide only a chart paper. No scissors are allowed. Each team is allowed to bring their own materials, which will be checked by the coordinator beforehand. Participants will be judged on the following parameters: originality and presentation, neatness, interpretation, and concept, each carrying 25 marks. Participants are requested to note that emphasis will be paid to total effect and not on individual pictures. Thank you.
मानव को पाठक, पाठक को विद्वान, विद्वान को महान बनाती है रचनात्मकता. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce you all to the next offstage event of the day, that is the Hindi creative writing. The purpose of creative writing is to express thoughts, feelings, and emotions rather than to simply convey information. It can be defined as the writing that expresses the writer's thoughts and feelings in an imaginative, often unique and poetic way. Now I welcome the honorable judge of the event, Mrs. Ruchi Srivastava, who is a teacher in the Government's College. Rules for the Hindi creative writing are: there will be 2 participants from each school. Maximum writing time allotted will be 1.5 hours. The topic will be given on the spot. The host will provide only the papers. Any style of creative writing will be accepted. The parameters for judging the event are originality 20 marks, style 10 marks, language 10 marks, interpretation of the topic 20 marks. Thank you.
Your managers are requested to escort the participants to the respective venues for collage and Hindi creative writing. From there, they will be escorted to the respective venues. Thank you.
DCs, please darken the auditorium. With great effort, our IT association has prepared a presentation. So sit back and enjoy the fruits of their labor.
Break of dawn, the ever-resplendent, energy-giving source, rises with its tireless commitment to the universe. So does our St. Joseph's College, Allahabad, established in 1884, which now stands tall at 127 years in the field of education, creating an ideal ambience for holistic learning. This grand hallowed institution carries on with the same zeal and undying spirit, imparting a sense of harmony with oneself and the social environment for hundreds and thousands of students of this vast country. The visionaries who led St. Joseph's College to its glory. The dynamism of these mentors have steered this great institution to the pinnacles of excellence. When the baton was passed on to Reverend Father Louis Mascarenhas, he, with his team of committed teachers, has captained this college to becoming the best institution. Keeping the challenges of the 21st century in mind, Father has envisioned expansion and executed many projects. An annexure of the college, which is under construction at Sadhana Southern Campus, will commence from April 2012. A new block called the Jubilee Block was constructed to house more classes, a spacious computer lab, an activity room and games. New air-conditioned computer labs and a completely renovated reading room sporting modern looks have added to the already existing facilities. With his innovative vision and concern for the students, he introduced smart classes by EduCo. He not only ensured that the young minds were kept ignited, but also took measures to enhance the quality and standard of education to keep in step with the challenging